Today, I'm gonna be editing 5 hooks in 5 minutes, and chances are you probably don't believe me. But guess what? I probably will. I honestly don't know if I will, but I'm pretty sure I can. And the reason why I'm so sure is because of my viral hook short form pack. Now, if you guys don't know anything about me or what I do, I have an online editing asset shop called the Takeover Shop, where it's editing assets and presets for content creators just like you. And this bundle right here is actually pretty freaking fire. It comes with not only my V1, not only my V2, but it also comes with the Essential Movement Effects pack, which is my most popular editing pack on my website. And with all of these combined together, you literally have the viral short form workflow in your back pocket. Like, it's super sick. Literally, I'm about to show you guys how easy it is to edit hooks, which in my opinion, hooks are the longest, most time consuming part of the editing process. So if we could do 5 in 5 minutes, you could literally just bang out tons and tons of videos super fast as an editor. Now, if you're like, Chris, I don't want to buy the packs, honestly, that's completely valid, but just think about all the time you could be saving, and honestly, just watch how much fun I'll be having today while editing. But enough of me yapping, timer starts now. So let's go ahead and get started by opening our viral hooks project. So we're gonna go to desktop, viral short form workflow. We're also gonna go over here, double click this, open, and then what this is gonna do is it's gonna open up the viral hooks pack. Now, I literally have however many in here. I think it's like 15 or something. I could be off, but I'm pretty sure it's 15 hooks. And the thing that's really dope about it is I could customize all of the overlays. So say like you open this and like you don't want this overlay, you don't like it, you could literally just replace it by double clicking this right here and then replacing your overlay right here, and then just make sure the middle of your transition is right here. Then you're good to go. This is my preset, this is my overlay. It comes preloaded, so if you guys want to use it, go ahead, but that's how you switch it out. And then let's say I wanted to change all of the fonts. We're gonna go to graphics and tabs and then replace fonts in projects. I'm going really fast because I got on a time limit, but this is pretty much what you do. So if you want to change all of these fonts right here, you just replacement font right this, and then change it to your own font or change specific ones to your own font. Now I'm gonna leave everything as is, and we're just gonna go ahead and get to cranking. First video, the hook that I'm actually thinking of is actually a very simple hook. It's literally just me like putting together my desk setup. So what I want to do is just kind of do like a low sort of style hook. So I was honestly thinking maybe either something like this. Let's see, not a reaction video because we're not doing a reaction video. That one's actually pretty fire, but maybe I'm thinking of something like just super simple. Like honestly, let's do a POV type video. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, POV. We're gonna Control C all of these. We're gonna go over here, Control V, and this is gonna paste the hook in here. And it comes with a scale in preset, but it's too short. So I'm just gonna go over here like this, drag this out, and then I'm just gonna edit the keyframe. It's actually pretty close to done. And then I'm honestly just gonna drag this over to the end, cut it in half, and then we're just gonna do this just so that way when it loops, it looks pretty fire. So here's what we got so far. We're just gonna extend this out like so. And then let's say I don't like this blending mode. I'm just gonna go ahead and change it to normal, just like that. And then POV, you're making a POV video using the new hooks pack. That's actually pretty funny. I'm pretty funny guy. POV, you just got a new mouse pad for the setup. Banger. Okay, so as you guys can see, literally video is almost done. I'm just going a little slow. Okay, POV, you just got a new mouse pad for the setup. The color grade is a little too bright for this text. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just go over here to lumetri color, just like so. And I'm gonna turn the exposure down. Maybe turn the highlights down as well. Just like that. And then that actually looks pretty solid. Or if I wanted to, I could change the text color to make it pop out. We go to Essential Graphics, bada bing, and then go to fill. You just change it to like whatever color. I'm just gonna do like a little orange, just like that. And then boom, first hook is done. POV, you got a new mouse pad for the setup. Banger, baby. Come on, like I would actually post this, maybe not the color orange because it actually looks kind of boof, not gonna lie, but I'd probably keep it white. So we're just gonna throw it back like that. Pause. Okay, next hook. So let's see, what do I do for this one?
Short form content editors. There's a crazy buy one get one sale going on at Chris Boustedt.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we get. Okay, that one could be pretty banger actually. Okay, we're actually gonna run this one. This one might take a little longer, but I think the payoff will be pretty freaking fire. We're actually gonna have to go to like something like this. Bring it up like that. Just like so. That's a workaround for if you copy and paste and it's merging with stuff. Just go ahead and do it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just bring this all over here, just like so. Actually, I'm gonna bring it like this. I'm gonna drag all of these out, just like that. Gonna add the little keyframe, little or remove the little overlay. And we'll see how just the lineup of everything is looking. Bring this back just like that.
Short form content.
Oh wait, this is actually kind of going crazy.
Editors. There's a crazy bio.
Okay, short form.
Short form content editors.
Okay, I really like the timing for,
Content editors.
and then I just don't like this sort of part. So I'm actually gonna just delete this. I'm gonna say short form content. Bro, this is actually like hella fun, not gonna lie. This makes editing like pretty fucking sick.
Short form content editors. There's a
Let's go.
short form content editors.
Okay, so I'm gonna do something like that. And I'm just gonna like maybe nest all these together. And then we're gonna go over here just like so and bring it down and maybe scale it up. And then I'm also gonna make it like maybe, let's see, slide down out. So like that, just drag and drop the preset.
From content editors. There's a
Yeah.
short form content editors. There's a crazy bio and UN sale.
Okay, and now I wanna do like BOGO. So I'll just do BOGO. And we're just gonna go ahead. I'm actually just gonna keep the text as is just because of time. But Lumetri color, honestly feel like I'm gonna fail this challenge. Damn it, bro. I don't want to, bro. I don't want to. Because then you guys will say I'm clickbaiting. And like, if I do go over, then I am so sorry. As a sorry, you guys will be able to download my free pack if you guys want. Even though it's free.
There's a crazy bio and UN sale going on at Christmas.
Okay. So we're gonna do something like that. And then I'm actually gonna move this over like so. Buy one, get one. We're just gonna have it slide in, slide up. And we're also gonna add a little shake to it. So we're just gonna hold Alt, and then we're just gonna drag all these all at once in one swoop.
There's a crazy bio and UN sale going on at chrisboustedt.com. There's a crazy bio and UN sale going on at chrisboustedt.com. But be fast.
Okay, and then I actually have some B-roll for this, so I'm gonna go over to documents, go over to my B-roll clip for this thing, you know what I'm saying? Where is it? Okay, right here. Bang, boom, boom, drag and drop.
chrisboustedt.com. But be
Okay, I'm just gonna,
chrisboustedt.com. But be
okay, so there's an overlay right there. I actually want the overlay to be like right here at chrisboustedt.com. So I want it to like overlay right here.
But be fast.
I like that.
That's because it ends soon.
Okay. Ooh. And then what I would do is go ahead and add just like all of the captions. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, bro, we got 3 more, bro. Oh, okay, we're already past time, way past time, bro. I thought I was gonna do it, bro. Damn it, dude. I fucking failed, bro. Okay, what do I gotta do because I failed, bro? I'm gonna have to do something I don't want to do. While I edit the rest of these videos, I'm just gonna come up with what I have to do. All right, moving on to the next one.
If you're burnt out video editor, just getting started.
If you're burnt out video editor, let's see. That one's really fire, but I don't think I could use that one for that one. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same exact thing. Control C, go over here, Control V. All right, it's doing that thing again. So we got improvise. So what we're gonna do is just like so, like we did last time. Bring it in, yada bang, bada boom, just like that.
If you're burnt out video editor,
And then I'm just gonna do like, we're gonna edit this text. So burnt out editors. And I'm just gonna do burnt out video editors. Then we're gonna do a little slide out animation. So we're gonna do this, select both of these guys, and we're actually just gonna do a slide out and then like a shake medium. Okay, sick. I'm actually just gonna bring this over like so, and then just for tutorial sake, we'll just say that was the hook.
burnt out video editor, just getting started on your video editing journey.
That's actually pretty good. Moving on, next one. We actually might make a good time.
Pro short form content editors. I'm gonna show you how to get your reels.
Okay, banger. Let's see. Okay, I actually like this one. This one will be really freaking easy to do. So gonna just go ahead, do this, hold Alt, drag up, make sure it's lined up, and then go ahead, select all this, and then like line it up to the beginning. Just like so, and then I'm gonna bring this back. Now that's probably the one most annoying part, but like it saves you so much time, so like it's honestly pretty worth it. So I'm gonna say Premiere Pro. I'm just gonna line up the captions and select the text. Short form content editors. Premiere. So I'm gonna type in Premiere Pro short form content. I'm gonna drag this back.
Premiere Pro short form content editors.
Then I'm also gonna just drag out this image, and then I'm gonna replace the image. So I'm gonna go over here and then replace it with the Premiere Pro logo. So I'm gonna type in Premiere, just like so, and then it'll bring up my icon for it. Let's see if this actually works. This one should work, right? Then we're just gonna go ahead, disable this. I'm gonna turn the rotation just like that. And we're gonna go back to our timeline, and then you'll see that it actually updated.
Premiere Pro short form content editors.
And then I actually just wanna move the location up, like so.
Premiere Pro short form content editors. I'm gonna show you how to.
Then we're just gonna drag this back. I'm gonna slide down out, add a little shake to it. Actually, there's already shake, so I'm just gonna actually just do like a slide down out animation. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for this word editors is I'm just gonna go ahead, right click, apply default transitions, just like so. Just have it fade out like that. Okay, bit. I'm just gonna drag this back like so. Okay, so that's hook number 4. We're actually not making bad time, but again, we did not hit the 5-minute mark. We are actually pretty far off, but it is what it is. And then this one, we're gonna go ahead back to the viral hooks, and then we're gonna go check them out. So add caption here, I like that one, it's not bad. I really wanna do like a super like, ooh, this one's actually pretty sick. Maybe this one will be like an education type one. So we'll go ahead, copy paste this. And then because this is sort of like a faceless video, I'm actually just gonna go ahead, yeah, just drag it to the entire video. Now, depending on what type of video you're doing, you might not wanna do this, but for me, I think this would be pretty fire, pretty good use of the pack. And then we're just gonna go ahead, cut this like that, delete that, and then just go ahead, change the text. And I think we're pretty good. Just make sure our text scaling keyframes all the way to the end like so. And so 2024 faceless. So I'll just do desk upgrade. And we'll go ahead, select all text, go over here to central graphics, change the size to something like that, and then maybe bring this up as well. And then also, because I did move this, I'm just gonna go ahead and move this up and we'll just add like some text saying, I went with the high ground mouse pad to give me some new vibes. And then maybe I'll make like a little line break in that when this loads, bro. I don't know why this is horrible. So we'll do after the word give, we'll hit enter. It's giving me some new vibes for the room. Period. Done. Banger. Okay, sick. So this is literally 5 hooks that we went ahead and did in literally a short amount of time. Now, usually one hook would take me 20 minutes, but I literally think we did 5 hooks in less than 20 minutes. So that's actually pretty freaking nuts. But let's say you guys don't have the funds to go ahead and buy this hook pack now. What you guys could actually go ahead and do is just, you could build the hook pack yourself using your own template. Now, if you want to learn how to do that, go ahead and check this video right here on screen. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. But real quick before we leave, remember, buy one, get one free, ends December 2nd. See you guys in the next one. Peace.